we learnt about some problems on AAA criterion theorem. We learnt about 10 problems. Let us consider the 11th one. What is the 11th problem? Can you see? E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals AC. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle APD similar to triangle ECF. APD similar to ECF. We have to prove it. So now how to prove this one? Draw the figure. How do you draw this figure? ECF, this is a triangle. APD is a triangle. This is 90 degree. It is given that AD perpendicular to BC and then EF perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove that triangle APD similar to triangle ECF. Very simple. Now you see in triangle ABD and ECF, you see angle D is equal to angle of 90 degree. Angle C is common. ECF, ABD, AB equals AC. You see, AB equals AC. They have given it's an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. So, therefore, angle B means nothing but angle C. Is it right? Therefore, angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. Angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. According to AA criterion theorem, those two triangles are equiangular, hence they are similar. In that way, you require to prove it. What is that? Solution. Given. What is that? Given AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Next, EF perpendicular to AC. EF perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. AD perpendicular to BC. EF perpendicular to AC. Then what? AB equals AC. If AB equals AC, it's an isosceles triangle they have given in triangle. You see, AB and BC. Isosceles triangle AB equals AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, what is that angle ABC? Is equal to angle ACB like this. ACB. That is angle B is equal to angle C. Now take in triangles ABD. In triangles ABD, in triangles ABD and ECF, in triangles ABD and ECF, what are the known angles? Angle AD, you see, angle D is equal to, in triangle ABD, angle D is equal to angle F of ECF triangle. Angle F. It is perpendicular, which is nothing but 90 degree. Next, angle ABD, you see, this angle is equal to angle ECF. Angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. It is in data. Angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore, data. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ABD similar to ECF according to AA criterion theorem. Is it? So now this is the problem number how much? 11th one. Is it? Now let us take it and we shall pass on to 12th problem. What is the problem number 12 says? sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So go through the problem 2 or 3 times. To understand the problem, let us read out 2 or 3 times. So you know what is the problem and you can come across what they have given and what you require to prove. Is it? So look at the problem. There is a triangle ABC in which there is a median. What is that median? AD is the median. What do you mean by median? What do you mean by median of a triangle? Median of a triangle is a straight line or a line segment which joins the midpoint of the side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. You see, AD is the median. Why AD is the median? It is a line segment which joins the midpoint of BC, that is D, to its opposite vertex A. AD is the median, and similarly PM is also median. If it is so, AD equals BD equals DC, and then QM equals MR. QM equals MR ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನಿಂದ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ PQR. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ದ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ AB BC PQ QR are proportional, and in the same way BD and PM are proportional. Then you require to prove what the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here third side is proportional. Third side SSS postulate, SSS criteria ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? The three sides of one triangle are proportional to the three sides. ಇಲ್ಲಿ two sides ಇದೆ, one median ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ three sides ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ two sides ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ? Two sides ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ B. ಈ two sides ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ Q. We have to show that first we have to show that these two angles are equal. ಅವೆರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ according to SAS criterion theorem we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now let us say what is the solution in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Is it right? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangles ABC and PQR. In triangles ABC and PQR, what they have given? AB by PQ is equal to, you see, BC by QR, that will be equal to AD by PM. ಇದು ಬೇಕಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. AD by PM ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ AC by PR ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ AD by PM ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. You see, D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, this BC is nothing but 2 times of BD. Is it right? 2 times of BD. This is QR is 2 times of QM. QM ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಡಬಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it will be QR. So we can say that AB by PQ is equal to, it is in data, is it? BC can be written as 2 times of BD like this, by 2 times of BD, and that is QR is 2 times of QM is equal to AD by PM. Now 2 get cancels. When it is get cancels, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM and is equal to AD by PM. Go through in which triangle The sides are proportional. You see, AB by PQ they have given it is BD by QM and then AD by PM. If it is so, then triangle ABC, triangle ABD, therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle what? PQM according to SSS criterion theorem. According to SSS criterion theorem, these two triangles are similar. When they are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal. We can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q because when two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Now take in triangles ABC and PQR. In triangles ABC and PQR, you know that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now find out the angle which contains these two sides, AB and BC. Which is the angle? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR according to SAS criterion theorem. According to SAS criterion theorem, those two triangles are what is called as similar. That is the way we are going to show. Is it? Now let us take the next problem, what is called as 13th problem. So that D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CS squared equals CB into CD. Is they have given the figure? No. You require to draw a figure. What is that? Triangle. Draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC like this. This angle and this angle are equal. ನಾವು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ AC squared equals CB into CD. How to show this? Now take in triangle ABC and ADC. You see? ABC and ADC. Because angle A known to us. Is it? So angle B we know. Angle C is common. Therefore consider triangle ABC and triangle ADC. In triangles ABC and ADC. In triangles ABC and ADC. In triangles ABC and ADC, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A equals angle D. It is data. Is it? Next, angle, one more. C is equal to angle C. It is common. It is common angle. Therefore, what? According to AA criterion theorem, those two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar. D here bರುತ್ತೆ triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC like that. Triangle DAC. Triangle A the proportionality of the sides. AB by AD is equal to BC by AC is equal to AC by DC. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? AC, you know. Consider these two cross multiply AC into AC square, and you get CB into CD. Is it? CB into CD. Consider these two AC into AC into AC is AC square equals BC into DC. BC into DC. So this is BC into DC. This is the way how we can prove. Now let us pass on to the next problem. Is it? 14th problem na ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದಾರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So let us take 15th problem. Take the 15th problem. What it says, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಟವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಶಾಡೋನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಟವರು ಸಹಿತ ಒಂದು ಶಾಡೋನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you are required to find out what are the heights of the tower and as well as what you call it as the pole. Is it? Take the sides, a vertical pole, take the vertical pole, it's a vertical pole, and take this is the tower. So now vertical pole casts a shadow like this. And join this, it forms a triangle. AB is a vertical pole and it casts a shadow of AC. Now next, this is a tower which casts a shadow. So like this, and let us join it. Say P, Q, R, D, F, anyone you can take, is it? So now you require to find out what is the height of AB and what is the height of PQ. This is perpendicular. Always a tower or anything will stand on the ground in a particular way. In perpendicular way, is it? So now on the basis of that, what is that? A vertical pole of length 6 meter. This is the 6 meter. Is it right? 6 meter casts a shadow of 4 meter like this. This is 4 meter. And then the tower shadow, that is a casts a shadow, this is 28 meter. So you require to find out this height PQ. Is it? So now what to do? How do you find it? Right here, what is AB? Height of the pole AB is equal to 6 meter. Next, shadow of AB is equal to AC, that is equal to 4 meter. Is it? Next, height of tower. Height of the tower. What is the height of the tower? Let's say it is PQ. You require to find out. What is the shadow of the tower? They have given. Shadow of the tower, that will be QR. It will be 28 meter. ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ equiangular. Now here angle A is equal to angle Q. Is it? Angle A is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Why? Always say this is the sun ray. Iduna sun ray ankonಡ್ರೆ the sun rays are equally inclined. When they are equally inclined, angle C is equal to angle R. Sun rays are always equally inclined. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸಾವುಕಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಡವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೀಳಲ್ಲ. ಭಗವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, the inclination of the angle of inclination of the sun ray is always constant at a particular time. That should be important. At a particular time. In that way, angle C is equal to angle R. So therefore what? These two triangles are equiangular. This is third pair. If two pairs are equal, third pair automatically equal. Therefore, these two triangles are equiangular. Hence, they are similar. Take the proportionality of the sides and you will get the answer. Now take in triangle ABC and QPR. In triangles ABC, alpha equal to BAC ಬಂದು PQR ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತು, BAC ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. In triangles BAC and PQR, what are the equal angles? Let us list out. Angle A is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 90 degree because both are standing perpendicularly to that of the ground. ಹಾಗಂತಲೇ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next, angle ACB is equal to angle QRP. Angle, yes, angle of inclination of the sun rays. Is it right? They are always equally inclined on all the objects. So therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle QRP. So therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle PQR according to AA criterion theorem. According to AA criterion theorem, ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು BC ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. BC ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ you will take BA by PQ is equal to AC by QR. AC by QR. If two triangles are equiangular or similar, then the sides are proportional according to AAA criterion theorem. Now substitute the values. What we know? AB is 6 meter. PQ is, we don't know. Take as it is. Now what is AC? AC is 4 meter and QR is how much? 28. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. PQ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ 28 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, 4m ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ 6/4 into 28 is equal to PQ. What I did? Bring this, take the cross multiplication. PQ will come to this position, 4 will come to this position, 6/4 and 28 is multiplied to 6 like this. Now 28 multiply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ, 4 1s are 4 7s are. Is it? Next multiply 7 6 are. PQ equals 42 meters. What is PQ? What is PQ? PQ is height of the tower. Lastly, my right answer, height of the tower is how much? 42 meters. In that way, you require to solve it. And 16th one, you do. If AD and PM are medians of a triangle ABC, it is having a relation with the problem 12th one. 12th one ಗೆ relation ಇದೆ. Try ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಣ. Thank you very much. We have completed, what is that? We have completed 2.3 exercise. Now we shall pass on to the next one. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೀಗ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ let us take the heading areas of similar triangles. Text book ನೋಡಿ 49th page. 49th page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? areas of similar triangles ಇದೆ. areas of similar triangles ಅಂತ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆನ್ areas of ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಎ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯನ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.